Hey beautiful family, welcome to another vlog.
It's like this and like that and like this and it's like that and like this and like that and it's like this.
Hey family, how have y'all been? We doing good, y'all. Right now, the girls are, well, Lele and Nuke is up making breakfast right now. Lele over here on the bacon. Doing some bacon, and Nuki was doing some burning eggs. Pan got too hot. She was making some fried eggs and stuff, so they gonna have some bacon, fried eggs, and toast. I'm just gonna have me some coffee. Yeah, I'm gonna make me some bulletproof coffee, and today we're going to be meal prepping baked ziti. So we're gonna meal prep that, make a couple pans of that, and stick it in the freezer. And then we're gonna be braiding up Tata hair. So putting some braids in her hair, you know, protect the style and stuff like that. And I don't know what else we have for today, but whatever we have, we'll just take y'all with us. So how have y'all been? How have y'all been? Like I said, we've been all right. Hubby had got sick a couple days ago. He actually had got a case of vertigo, and he couldn't, like, you know, work and stuff. I think it's just he's overworked. Like a lot of y'all do know, they do know us personally and stuff. Like, he works a lot, a lot. So I just think his body was just like, look, bro, you gotta take a seat. So yeah, he's been home for the last couple days. You know, just trying to get better and stuff like that. So that's what's been going on with us. So yeah, just gonna be chilling today. Like I said, meal prepping and doing Tata hair, and just thinking of some videos that I want to, you know, put out. I'm definitely gonna be doing more wig, you know, videos and stuff like that. I got something coming because I want like a, I don't know if I can say a backdrop, or I guess something like that to go behind me whenever I'm doing it. So I went on Amazon and I saw like the room divider, like those room divider, like decorative type things. So I'm thinking about getting that. And then I'm gonna have some videos. Some of you do know that we do homeschool. So I want to get back into those videos because when I did have my other channel, the family channel, a lot of people really like those homeschool videos. I really was able to help out, you know, a lot of people, and, you know, a lot of people helped me out as well. So I'm going to get back to those and what we will actually do this year with them for homeschooling. Yeah, so I got some of those videos coming. So, you know, we're also going to be vlogging for Thanksgiving. Actually, baby girl Janelle, her birthday falls on Thanksgiving this year. Yeah. But we're going to celebrate it. We're going to celebrate her birthday like that. The weekend, Thanksgiving is on a Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So we're going to celebrate her birthday that weekend. But yeah, we're going to be vlogging that and cooking the stuff together. What's some stuff y'all cooking for Thanksgiving? Yeah, Tata wanted mashed potatoes. I was like, Tata, we don't do mashed potatoes. Oh goodness, that joke was funny. But I know some people do. We've never done mashed potatoes. And then all of they behind don't even like it, to be honest. But yeah, so what's some stuff that's on the menu for y'all Thanksgiving? Let me know. I know this year I want to do sweet potatoes, y'all. How you say it? Sweet potato souffle. How you say it, Lily? Sweet potato soup. Whatever it's called, sweet potato souffle or something like that. My girl on Cook Can Cook, she had a recipe and it had like pecans and stuff on top of it. Oh, it looks so good. So I'm gonna try that this year. Cause hubby, he loves pecan pie. But I kind of wanted to merge it together with the sweet potato souffle and just do the pecans and stuff on top. So it looked real good. So that's something that I'm gonna try this year. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get on with our day. See y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and start the meal prepping on the baked ziti. And where I got it from is a lady on YouTube, Jamerrill is her name, but her channel is, hold on, y'all. It is right here, Large Family Table with Jamerrill Stewart. So yeah, she's where I got it from. She does like a lot of meal planning and prepping because she has a large family. So I had got her, she sells like her meal prepping plans and stuff like that. So I had bought this pack from her. This is meal prep pack number 2, and it comes with like a lot of recipes and ingredients and like the shopping list, just the whole nine. Like she does a really good job with organizing and prepping stuff like that. So I had bought this meal pack prep from her. So about to go ahead and do it. And I tweaked like a little different. I tweaked mine a little different, add certain things, omit certain things, but the whole, you know, idea or meal prep did come from her, and I have all her links and stuff like that down below in the description bar. So about to go ahead and get started with this. And for mine, I'm doing 2 different types of meats. This one right here is the ground beef and pork blend, and then a regular ground beef, and then I'm gonna add some meatballs to mine and peppers and stuff like that, onions. So that's how we like to eat, kind of like our spaghetti, and so it's like a baked ziti, so it's similar to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to prepping this, and I'll be back, y'all. All right, y'all, so I have basically cooked everything that I need to cook before I assemble everything. But this is the meat. This is ground beef and ground pork, and then some beef meatballs with peppers and stuff. So that is cooked. Got the ziti, the noodles cooked, and I just sprinkled some seasoning on the noodles. I like to season like each component of the dish. So that is the ziti noodles, and then this is the ricotta cheese mixture. So that is that. So I'm going to mix everything together, and if she has a recipe on her channel, I'll go ahead and link it down below. I'm not sure, some of her recipes she do have on there, but some of them, like I said, she sells as a meal plan, and I don't want to just, you know, give that away, and I know that's the way, you know, she make her money and stuff like that. So yeah, she has the actual video of, you know, this meal. I'll go ahead and link it below. Mine's on, like I said, I tweaked certain things, added certain things. I definitely use more meat because we like our stuff meaty. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just put everything together and finish up. Alright guys, so I'm done putting everything together in the pans, and it made 4 of the 13x9 baking pans. So I'm going to go ahead and saran wrap the top and then put a layer of foil on.
It's like this and like that and like this and it's like that and like this and like that and it's like this.